Namaste, Namaskar, Vanakkam, hi. I'm Tanya from Department of Sociology and me, along with my team of young, energetic and friendly volunteers, wishes you a great year ahead and welcomes you to the portal of Stella Maris College. The NSS and YSC unit of Stella Maris has been active over the years and remains to be active and in depth in service. For many of us, NSS and YSC is like a big family on an exciting roller coaster ride. We ride together, we experience great things together. We also have our twists and turns, but at the end of the day, we achieve great things and we become greater people. So, hold on to your virtually seats, for we are going to take you on an exciting roller coaster ride, the ride that no one will ever forget. This ride is brought to you by the volunteers of NSS and YSC. Thank you and hope you enjoy.
Morris College presents NSS and YSC Unit 2020-2021. NSS is an Indian government-sponsored public service program conducted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of the Government of India. It is popularly known as NSS and was launched on 24th September 1969 in Gandhiji's centenary year. It aims at developing students' personality through community service. NSS is a voluntary association of young people in colleges, universities, and at plus 2 level working for the campus. Aims and objectivities: to understand the community in which they work, to understand themselves in relation to their community, to identify the needs and problems of the community and involve them in problem-solving processes, to develop among themselves a sense of social and civic responsibilities, to utilize their knowledge in finding practical solutions to individual and community problems, to develop content required for group living and sharing of responsibilities, to gain skills in mobilizing community participation, to acquire leadership qualities and democratic attitudes, to develop capacity to meet emergencies and natural disasters, to participate national integration and social harmony. Motto of NSS. The motto of NSS is not me but you. The NSS symbol. The NSS symbol is based on the Ratha wheel of the Sun Temple situated in Orissa. The navy blue color indicates the cosmos of which the NSS is a tiny part ready to contribute its share to the welfare of mankind. The red color in the badge indicates that NSS volunteers are full of blood, that is lively, active, energetic and full of high spirit. The giant wheel of the Sun Temple portrays the circle of creation, preservation and release and signifies the moment in life across time and space. Implies the continuous striving of NSS for social transformation and upliftment. NSS enrollment. NSS is a voluntary scheme. NSS scheme starts from 11th standard onwards. At college level, the NSS volunteers will be enrolled from the first and second year degree class students. An NSS volunteer needs to be devote a total of 240 hours social service in 2 years duration. Every year, an NSS volunteer will have to devote 20 hours of orientation and 100 hours of community service. Enrollment of NSS is free. NSS volunteers on successful completion of the required hours of service are issued a certificate. NSS volunteers can get some weightage during admission in higher studies and
YRC. The motto of Youth Red Cross YRC is to serve. The Youth Red Cross is the most important constituent of its mother organization, Indian Red Cross Society. It is a group movement organized at the initial stage for students between the age group of 18 to 25 years of age within the college. Principles of YRC. To foster better friendly relationships with all without any discrimination, the YRC has the following 3 principles: protection of health and life, service to the sick and suffering, promotion of national and international friendships to develop the mental and moral capacities of the youth. Objectives. The main purpose of organizing the YRC is to inculcate the youth of our country an awareness on the care of their own health and that of others, the understanding and acceptance of civil responsibilities, and acting according with humanitarian concern to fulfill the same, to enable the growth and development of a spirit of service and sense of duty with dedication and devotion in the minds of youth, to foster better friendly relationships with all without any discrimination.
Dear students, a warm welcome to all. I am Leo Densley, Assistant Professor of Tamil Department and also the Program Officer of NSS and YRC Unit. National Service Scheme and Youth Red Cross Units provides you an humble opportunity to serve the society well voluntarily. It is a 2-credit program, 2 years of duration with 2 credits per year. 120 hours of service is a must for a credit. On successful completion of 2 years, you are eligible to become senior volunteer in the 3rd year. Senior volunteers will earn extra 2 credits. Hence, I invite you all to take part in the NSS or YRC unit actively and wholeheartedly with the selfless service of our society nationally and globally. எல்லா ஆற்றல்களும் உங்களுக்குள் இருக்கிறது. உங்களால் எதையும் செய்ய முடியும் என்பதை நம்புங்கள் என்ற விவேகானந்தரின் அறிவுரையை கொண்டு சமுதாயத்தில் சாதித்து வெற்றி பெறுங்கள். வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Events and activities by the NSS and YRC unit. This unit, consisting of energetic and talented women who aspire to change in this society, have made a great inspiration in the lives that they have made. They have strived to be greater people and greater citizens of this country. Some of the events that they have participated are Geneva Convention event, wherein our students with great enthusiasm participated in various events and competition have won places in these events. The Swachh Bharat program was to promote social hygiene in India for the younger generations to come. Our volunteers with great enthusiasm and in great numbers have participated and were determined to give a clean and fresh India for the younger generations to come. Volunteers have participated in events in relation to health and welfare of others, such as the fight against breast cancer, the importance of eye donation, and most of all the blood donation camp, where students understood the value of life and how to preserve not only ours but also the lives of others around us. The most favorite days for our volunteers is the NSS Day, where the students perform cultural events and at the same time perform and promote cultural diversity which is existing and well known in India.
But what makes this unit even more special? Well, it's a 7-day camp where students experience a different lifestyle, a lifestyle away from the urban society. The students interact and spread awareness on many social issues among the children and members of the village by teaching and performing cultural events. It is an experience no one will ever forget in their lives.
NSS and YRC Program Officer Ms. L. Leo Densley, Assistant Professor, Department of Language, Tamil. Dr. Mary T. Abraham, Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work. Ms. Harriet Satyavadi, SAP Coordinator. Dr. K. Madhavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work. Ms. S.A. Annie Sweta, Assistant Professor, Department of English.
Hello everyone, this is Avakris, President Student Union 2020-21 and a very proud NSS volunteer. I'm extremely indebted to NSS for transforming me into the person I am today. Ever since I joined NSS, I've started to look at life with a completely different perspective. The experiences you get, the friends you make through NSS are truly priceless, and I hope each one of you have a life-changing and an enriching experience being a part of NSS just like I did.
Hello everyone, I am Anita from the Department of Economics. I am here to share a few words about Blood Donation Camp, which is one of the most prominent events of NSS and YRC unit. It is one of the exciting events that we as volunteers experience, not for the fact that we lose a lot of blood, but for the fact that we get fancy fruity biscuits and OD for the hours. Jokes apart, I'm pretty sure that all of you will know what the significance of blood in today's life is. NSS and YRC unit of our college, in collaboration with Madras Voluntary Blood Bureau, is organizing blood donation camp. So the camp is organized twice every year. So for each semester we have the camp happening. Every time, more than 300 students of our own college actively volunteer to donate blood. Not just students from our college, but also faculty member, staff, and students from other colleges take part in this.
Hi friends, I'm Vidya from NSS third year. So NSS and YRC oda main highlight என்னன்னா you'll get lots and lots of opportunities. அப்படி எனக்கு கிடைச்ச ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி தான் ஜெனீவா கன்வென்ஷன் டே. இந்தியன் ரெட் கிராஸ் சொசைட்டி எவ்ரி இயர் 27 ஜூலை ஜெனீவா கன்வென்ஷன் டேவாக செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ ஆன் தட் மார்க் அவங்க எஸ்ஏ ரைட்டிங் காம்படிஷன், ஆரட்டோரிக்கல், ஸ்கிட், குவிஸ் இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய காம்படிஷன்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இட் வில் பி பேஸ்ட் ஆன் அ சோஷியல் தீம். So last year I took part in oratorical and skit competition, and I fortunately won second prize in the oratorical competition. So இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் காம்படிஷன்ஸில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறதோட மெயின் அட்வான்டேஜ் என்னென்னா you'll get lots and lots of exposure and you'll definitely lose that stage fear. அதாவது உங்களுக்குள்ள அந்த ஒரு செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் வரும். you'll be confident in facing people. ஸோ ஐ விஷ் தட் நீங்கள் எல்லா காம்படிஷன்ஸ்லையும் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ்லையும் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்கள் and have a great and fruitful journey in NSS. All the best guys.
Hi guys, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste, Namaskar. This is Dashni, your NSS Delhi RD Parade Condition 2020. It was one of the most proudest moments in my life. I should thank NSS, one and only NSS, for giving me this opportunity. It was me, 2020 RD Parade Condition. It was Desha Mol from Max Department, 2019 RD Parade Condition Delhi. And I want one of you guys from this set to be 2021 RD Parade Condition Delhi. You know, it's very tough, tiring, with full of hard, hectic parade practices, but also we'll be having lots and lots of culturals, lots and lots of lectures, lots and lots of advices, as well as it improves your personal attitude. I hope you guys are doing fine, and if anyone interested, please do contact me. This is Dashni again signing off. Tata.
Hi everyone, this is Dorothea Andrea from Commerce Department. I want to share some of the beautiful and special moments happened. There are two events basically. One is camp and another one is scuba diving. Camp, it is really fun filled and you'll get to know more people. It starts from the morning exercise and to the hot sundal in the evening. We were two groups, one went to the school and another went to the village. I was in the school group. The children were really nice to us and they were asking us to not to leave from that place. They were emotionally connected to us. It was a good experience, one of the good experience that camp gave to us.
Hey there, hope you're all doing fine. This is me Tejashree from the Department of Botany and I'm one of the NSS senior volunteers. NSS YRC Day. What's so special about this day? School annual day na எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே ஒரு happiness. You have to do something அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு enthusiasm. It will be there. The same feeling applies here also. In this day, we not only be there and take part in the event just as a volunteer, you live as a family and celebrate it as a festival with a lot of joy and happiness. The excitement and the happiness shared when the event happening is immeasurable. I welcome you all to have a happy journey in this experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Margaret from the Department of Mathematics. So I am here to share some of my few personal experience in NSS. I was an NSS senior volunteer last year. So first when I joined in NSS, I had no idea what NSS is all about. But later NSS has taught me more life values. Good. I learned to know many talents in me. I learned to know my hidden talents. NSS is fun, it's interesting, it will teach you good values and lessons. So I assure you that it will also teach you more life values, life lessons. All the best guys.
My name is Shweta Kesey. I did my bachelor's in mathematics from Stella Maris College. So Stella, it provides a student training program where we'll have NSS, NCC and sports, and I chose NSS, so I am here to share some of my experience. So National Service Scheme, as the name suggests, it's all about service, and according to me, it's a platform where we're able to explore ourselves, and it gives us an opportunity where we can socially engage a lot. And our college, it organizes and conduct many programs wherein we'll get the chance to participate in district, state, sometimes in nation-wise. Like we'll have programs like youth exchange or cultural exchange program where we represent our state in the whole nation. So the logo itself, it emphasizes that it's full of energy and the spirit of volunteer, and it is all about the zest to contribute the share for the welfare of mankind. So overall, NSS in Stella Maris College will be a best choice.
Good evening. My name is Rasika and I'm from the Department of Mathematics. So there were 3 options given to us, which was NSS, NCC and sports, and I chose NSS, which I think I'm grateful of, and here to talk about a few things about NSS. So NSS, as we all know, it is National Service Scheme, and its motto is not me but you. So NSS will boost your confidence, will bring out the qualities in you, will bring out the hidden talent in you as well, and at last it will bring out a new, as I said, it will bring out a new version of yourself. You will attend rallies, you will attend the blood donation camps, you will organize many programs, and you will also be part of many government programs like MHRD, Unnat Bharat, and you will also take part in many special and rural camps as well. So NSS, I think at Stella Maris College is a very good option for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Divya, YSC Senior Volunteer. So I have been in NSS from 2016 to 2019. It has been a great experience working with everyone, with juniors, with teachers, and also with seniors in 3rd year. And in NSS we learned many things, which is countless. Like we learned how to socialize with people, we learned many leadership skills, and also we learned to motivate others and get motivated by others. And also we came across many communities which are backward in area, and we understood how difficult it is there in those communities, how they are struggling. We could able to realize all those struggles.
Hello everyone, my name is Karishma Angela Vincent, and I was part of the NSS and YRC unit from the year 2016 to 2019, and I was also one of the NSS senior volunteers for the year 2019. So first of all, thank you so much to my teachers who thought of me to record this message for all our fresh incoming batch students. It's an absolute pleasure speaking about NSS anytime. So having said that, NSS has been the most important part of my undergraduation, I would say, because NSS is not just a choice-based credit system. It just becomes a part of your life, because when you enter college and when you start off with your academics, I think NSS just is one relaxing point and one place where you learn so much and make so many memories, because NSS is not another a marks gaming, or it's not just another credit system, and you don't feel that it's a requirement, and it doesn't stress you so much as far as as much as academics does. And in terms of NSS, you will get the opportunity to work with a lot of NGOs. All of you will be allotted with NGOs whom you will be working with for the next 4 semesters. And when we used to do, we physically went, we met people, we interacted with them, we learned life lessons. And I think it's just not one video where I can sum up the entire thing, but then you just get to know the ground reality. You see the society as it is, and you just realize in what falsehood all of us are living in and what the real reality is all about. And I think that hands-on learning experience and those life lessons cannot be taught. It's just experience, it's just learned. And from Stella Maris, they give us this opportunity to enroll in NSS and get to know so many things. It's actually our fortune that.
Guys, hope you're all doing great. I'm Evangeline from the Department of Commerce, and it's been 2 years since I graduated. And I'm here to talk about my NSS experience. So NSS has been a great experience to me. It gave me a lot of friends. It gave me an opportunity to meet different people. I had the opportunity to go to 2 camps, and it was all super fun. The best part of NSS is that it has a place for everyone. You like singing, dancing, you like being quiet, it's okay. You like organizing things, you like writing, you like designing things, name it, and you have a place in NSS. Each and every one of us, whoever comes in, belongs here, and they get a place here. That's what's more important. And the next thing is that it's a one-time opportunity which we all get to see things differently and also to see different things. It's a great opportunity to face the realities of the world, of which we would have otherwise not been exposed of. Meaning we get to work on the field, we get to work with children, we get to work with people who are mentally and physically disabled, we get to experience what they feel, and it's mostly surprising. The amount of courage and the amount of courage and their thought process just amuses you. It's a great opportunity, guys, which we all should get, and it's really a one-time opportunity. If you really think it's yours, NSS is your thing, then please do register. Thank you.